Hey everyone, welcome back to Business Brain Rot, where we break down the hottest stock stories to help you build that smarter portfolio. Today, we're diving into a Yahoo Finance article that's got investors buzzing. This Dividend stock is up 10% this year and Amazon could take it even higher. If you're into dividend plays with EV upside, stick around, this could be a game changer. I'll be screen recording the full article as we go, so follow along. Let's jump in. Alright, kicking things off right here in the article's intro. Amazon, the e-commerce giant, is testing out electric delivery vans from BrightDrop as part of a massive push to go green in Europe. They've sunk $1 billion into electrifying their fleet, and they're pitting BrightDrop against big names like Rivian, Ford, and Mercedes-Benz. A dozen of these vans are in the pilot right now. But here's the twist, BrightDrop is made by General Motors or GM. And the article argues this could supercharge GM stock, which is already a solid dividend pick. Pause for a sec. Who's ready for some EV magic? Scrolling down to the meaty part. GM stock has climbed 10.89% year-to-date as of late 2024 data, with a whopping 24.31% gain over the past 52 weeks. Right now, shares are trading at $58.86, and the market cap sits at $55.7 billion. What makes it undervalued? Check this out. GM's P/E ratio is just 5.74, and forward P/E is 6.22. Compare that to the sector average of 17 and 18. It's a steal. The article points out it's up 4.9% in the last month alone. If you're screen recording with me, highlight those numbers. They're screaming by opportunity for value hunters. Now, for my dividend fans, this is where it gets juicy. GM's paying out 54 cents annually right now, giving you a 0.92% yield. But forward projections? Bump that to 60 cents per share for a 1.02% yield. It's not the flashiest payout, but in this low-rate world, steady is sexy. The article calls GM a favorite among dividend stock investors for good reason. Reliable cash flow while they ramp up EVs. Imagine pairing this with Amazon's logistics muscle. Dividends plus growth? Yes, please. Let's talk results. GM's Q2 2025 earnings dropped July 22nd. Revenue hit $47.1 billion, beating estimates even with a slight 1.8% dip year over year. Net income? A healthy $1.9 billion. And EVs? They're on fire. Over 19,000 sold in July 2025 alone. That's a 115% jump from last year. The article ties this back to BrightDrop. Amazon's pilot isn't just hype, it's real-world testing that could scale GM's EV production. Scroll here if you're following. Those sales numbers are proof GM's not just talking the talk. Back to the big question the article poses. Can Amazon's BrightDrop love affair unlock even bigger gains for GM? With Amazon's $1 billion commitment and global reach, it's not a stretch. GM's already partnering up to beef up its EV game, and this pilot feels like the spark. The piece doesn't predict exact numbers, but the implication is clear. If Amazon scales these vans, GM rides the wave. Undervalued stock meets mega retailer? That's rocket fuel. So, wrapping this up with the article's vibe. GM's crushing it financially, offering a tasty dividend, and now Amazon's handing them an EV boost on a silver platter. At these valuations, it's worth watching, or maybe adding to your watch list today. What do you think, GM buy or wait? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like if this helped, and subscribe for more stock breakdowns. Thanks for joining the Screen Record Sesh. See you next time.